Welcome to Socialindigo, your go-to source for insights that actually matter. Today, we're exploring a critical issue in our connected world, the top privacy concerns in the age of IoT and how you can protect yourself. 1. Data collection overload. Smart devices, from speakers to wearables, are constantly gathering data. The risk: oversharing sensitive details about your habits, health, and location. 2. Weak authentication and default passwords. Many IoT devices ship with weak or unchanged default passwords. Hackers love this. It's one of the easiest ways into your digital life. 3. Lack of encryption. Some devices don't properly encrypt the data they send. That means personal information, like your daily routines, can be intercepted. 4. Outdated software and firmware. IoT gadgets often miss timely updates. Without security patches, they become an open door for cyber criminals. 5. Tracking and profiling risks. From your location to shopping patterns, IoT data can be used for targeted ads, or worse, surveillance, without your full awareness. 6. How to protect yourself. Here's what you can do. Change default passwords immediately. Enable multi-factor authentication. Keep firmware up to date. Segment your smart devices on a guest network. Regularly review privacy settings. Conclusion: the Internet of Things makes life easier, but it also puts your privacy on the line. With a few smart steps, you can stay secure while staying connected.